So I'm gonna start this video. I'm sending it back. Been pretty disappointed with this product for many reasons. Not just the fact that it's got really low sides, which allows for the cat to throw litter out. Had I known the sides were going to be that low, I don't know. You can see it's like 2 inches, 3 inches from the sand to the rim. So if you got a cat that's going to try to cover its crap, that's going to get tossed out. It's supposed to be cleaning. I don't know. We'll see why it's not doing it. Oh, God. This is boring. I'm sure. What the fuck? I hit the manual button. Is that... Okay, manual and then go. Alright, M then D. Alright. Whatever. You know, you wouldn't want your cat hitting those buttons on the front of the display, cycling it himself. So, yeah, let's see how well this fabric mesh holds on to the piss that's clumped to the side. God, I wish I could fast forward this right now so bad. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude, this is all for you. Yeah, I'm really not looking forward to cleaning this. You can see the caca in the grill. Yeah, I know, kitty. Your litter box isn't available right now. Look at that big giant clump of piss stuck to the side. Damn, I didn't even know it was that big. Also, everything goes in there with the least amount of litter, so it holds a lot of moisture, and when I went to change it after 1 week, even though I didn't get a notification that said change, I did it myself because it was stinking so bad. It had mold all over it. Like a forest of white mold. No, kitty. What are you thinking? What the fuck are you thinking? He just tried to put his paw into the gear area there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that wouldn't be good for him. Anyways, I'm gonna start this worry-free return. Yeah, I guess I should have read that better, because I already started the Amazon return process. Maybe I can cancel the Amazon return process and go with this company instead, or return it to them directly. So that's one of the reasons to get rid of it right there. It's caca in the gears. Anyways, Is that pee still there? It is.